Welcome to the first lesson of our Commodore 64 Basic Programming course. In this video, we'll explore the first three basic commands you'll need to know: print, list, and run. Let's start with the print command. The print command allows you to display text or numbers on the screen. Let's try it out. Type print hello, and press the Enter key. Make sure to put double quotes around the word hello. Please note that on a real Commodore 64 keyboard, the Enter key is labeled as return. You'll immediately see the word hello appear on the screen. This is called immediate mode. In this mode, the command is executed right away, but is not stored as part of a program. Now, let's turn this into an actual program. To do this, we need to assign a line number to the command. Let's write 10 print hello. This time, when we press Enter, nothing appears on the screen. That's because the command has been stored as part of a program, but hasn't been executed yet. To view the current state of our program, we use the list command. Simply type list and press Enter. Now you'll see the line we just entered. To execute the program, we use the run command. Type run and press Enter. You'll see hello appear on the screen, meaning the program has been successfully run. Now, let's extend our program by adding another line. Type 20 print world. Then, run the program again by typing run. The screen now displays hello, followed by world. We've created a two-line program. To see the full program again, use the list command, and now you'll see both lines. But why did we use the numbers 10 and 20 for the line numbers instead of 1 and 2? Line numbers help to find the execution order of the program, and leaving gaps, like going from 10 to 20, is a common practice. This way, if we later want to add a line between two existing lines, we can do so easily. Let's add a new line between 10 and 20. Type 15, print hello again. Now, use the list command again. As you can see, line 15 was successfully inserted between lines 10 and 20. And that's it for today. In this lesson, we learned how to use the print, list, and run commands, as well as how to structure a simple program. Stay tuned, and happy coding!